business owners, entrepreneurs, we struggle, and no one talks about that. It looks like magic. You start a business and wham, all of a sudden you're successful. And that's not really true.
My name is Susan Frew, and I'm the president of Sunshine Plumbing, Heating, Air. I had coached 17 different trades. One would refer me to the other, and I'm the daughter of a carpenter, so I think it was meant to be.
We have in our country a huge crisis, a runaway train that is headed at us at lightning speed that no one can control. And I'm here to tell you about this problem because I live it every single day, and so does everyone in my company, as well as thousands of contractors around the United States. But why is this problem happening? So we have what's known in our country right now as a skills gap. And so what's happening is everyone's walking around with a degree and maybe not finding a job. But in the meantime, our trades have been overlooked and ignored. And now we have a giant shortage.
And my favorite story is something that happened right here in the state of Colorado during the gold rush days. This guy takes up a fund and he's got investors and he's gonna go, and he's digging and he's digging and he's digging, can't find any gold. And so he goes back to his investors and said, I'm sorry, I failed. The guy finds the biggest gold lode ever in the state of Colorado in the history of the United States, 3 feet away from where this guy quit. So that is a lesson in everything. Just when you are ready to quit is when it turns around. I promise you, just on your darkest day. And as entrepreneurs, we have that darkest day a lot, right? We're gonna party, there's mimosas coming, no kidding.